Okay guys, in this video we will be checking out this particular asset called PainX1200 and see what we are most likely to get from there. But before then, we will also be checking out our GainX 1200. We actually analyzed this asset yesterday, so we're going to see how it played out. Okay, but before I go fully into it, okay, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love this content, kindly give me a follow right now. Like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay. And of course, guys, if you have any other question, kindly drop a question in the comment section or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. Okay. And of course, guys, let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay. So guys, let's start with GainX 1200. I actually analyzed this asset yesterday, hoping that it's going to give us some juicy profits yesterday. But just the way you have seen it, this particular asset actually played around there for a while and finds it difficult to go fully into a downtrend, but it went back to break out above the resistance zone. Like I've always been telling you, there are two things that can happen from the resistance zone. It is either there is a breakout above it, or probably there is a change in direction of the trend. It tried to change the direction of the trend, but it was finding it difficult. It was unable to change the direction of the trend, and it later on broke out from the resistance zone to buy more. Okay, so that is why the trend was unable to change. Okay, so that is what happened from that particular asset. So you can see it bought more and got to a new resistance zone. Okay, so we're still waiting for it to give us a clear signal of the next direction after that. Okay, so let's keep an eye on that and see what is going to happen with that later on. Okay, now let's move on to PainX 1200. Okay, this is PainX 1200. If you remember, about over the weekend, we actually milked this particular asset for a very long time. This is 15 minutes time frame. We started a downtrend somewhere here and we milked it till this very end, and it's still selling. Okay, so it sold for long, even though it's trying to go back into an uptrend. It made the first attempt around here, but broke out below this support zone at this point. If you remember, yesterday I told you that it broke out below this support zone and it's going to sell more. Okay, so it sold more. For those of you that took advantage of the opportunity, this will have given you a lot of profit. Okay, and of course, it has gotten to a new support zone, and of course it was unable to break out from there, give us an uptrend signal again. So that is why I had to draw out this trend line, okay, to mark out this part, to let us know if it's going to break out above this trend line or not. If it breaks out above it, then definitely we are most likely to experience some buying opportunity. Okay, and if that happens, we expect it to get to this region, but there must be a breakout from this trend line first before you can decide to go into it. Okay, and of course, if it breaks out from here, we expect it to get to this spot. Okay, and if it breaks out from here, then it should get to this particular region. Okay, so this is an opportunity you can grab right from there. Okay, keep an eye on it, most especially if you're having this same trading tool I am having on my chart. You can easily analyze the asset that way and see if you can make some good profits from these. Okay, so I will be stopping right here. If you have any question, can you drop your question in the comment section or you reach out to me via WhatsApp? I will be there to reply you. Okay, watch out for my next video. Until then, God